Hey guys, this is my drift trike build that I started about a month ago. I had been wanting to build one of these for about a year now, and this was actually one of my first welding projects. And I think it did pretty good, so I'm going to show you how I made it. To build this, we ended up picking up 1 1/4-inch steel to fit some pillow box, and to power it, I went to Harbor Freight and picked up a non-Hemi 212. There's really no difference between the Hemis and non-Hemis, it's just the non-Hemi, in my opinion, has a sleeker look. This is a shot from when we finished the foot pegs. Most of the welds are mine. That's what my welding looks like. It's kind of crappy, but I can call it good for now to do my projects. Here's our first mock-up to give you an idea of the frame. Front end is an old BMX that I used, and we ended up having to get a new axle, so my dad was great enough to buy me a new one from BMI Carts. That is the seat we ended up using, and just a little boat seat from my sporting goods store, but I thought it looked good. Here's when we finished the paint. These were the wheels I got. They were 10.5, so the sleeves that came with the kit fit over them perfectly. Here's a picture of it almost done. A couple of pictures from when I had it almost finished, and right here is when we did the first startup. All in all, I think it turned out pretty good for my first drift trike build. The thing is really fun, and it's a blast, and it just looks good in general. So let's go do some riding. Alright guys, so that was my drift trike build. This build turned out really good in my opinion, and it's a lot of fun to ride. If you want to see more videos, click like, possibly subscribe, because I have loads more projects planned for the future. In the meantime, peace out.